Introducing the MIES506G, Maisvch's full Gigabit Layer 2 managed industrial switch, engineered for performance and reliability where it matters most. With 2 Gigabit SFP ports and 4 Gigabit RJ45 ports, the MIES506G ensures seamless connectivity. Its wide operating temperature range of -40 to +75 degrees Celsius means it performs in the harshest environments. Dual power input guarantees redundancy, while advanced management tools, including VLAN, QoS, and SNMP, provide secure and efficient network control. Designed with industrial strength protection, the MIES506G meets EMC Level 4 standards, delivering stability in demanding applications. Whether it's powering smart grids, driving industrial automation, supporting intelligent transportation, or enabling modern energy systems, the MIES506G provides the backbone for critical communications. The MIES506G, compact, rugged, and built for the future of industrial networking.